Hello, this is Dal 9-Notch, and I'll be going over my Enhancement 9 assignment for the week. So I added two different images to the anvil and two different images to the crash helmet. So I'm going to go over the anvil first. So on anvil here you can see that I have three images here, one for the default and the two extras I added here. You can see they are in my products folder here. Then we can go to my database, go to images, and anvil's on the next page, I believe. And then you can see they're in here as well with the same inventory ID as anvil. So these are 888. Then anvil right here is 8. I was trying to find it. Okay, so we have that, and then I'll go ahead and validate the HTML CSS. This is HTML. No errors. CSS, no errors. Okay, and I added them like this because I figure in another enhancement or possibly if I was creating a actual site, I can make these clickable and then this image would change. So that's why they're so small, just kind of how you would on most other websites that have multiple images. You can see this is less than 500 pixels wide, and these are obviously less than 200 pixels here. Okay. Then we'll go to the crash helmet. Also has a couple more images I added. Same thing. Less than 500 pixels, less than 200. And then we can validate the HTML CSS here. No errors. And no errors. Okay. And I believe that is it. Actually, I can show you that the crash helmet has that as well. So let's find the crash helmet here. Helmet, so it has an inventory ID of 14. We go to the next page with the new images, and there's two here. One's full, then one's the thumbnail twice. Inventory ID of 14 as well. Okay, and that concludes my enhancement, and thank you for watching.